Hey everybody, today we got a 1988 Boston Whaler 17 Super Sport Custom. This is a one-of-a-kind boat for a client up in Michigan. Something I've always wanted to do, how to rethink that 17 Super Sport to make it something a little bit better looking, a little more ergonomic, a little more comfortable, just a better layout all across the board. So come take a look, I'll walk you through it. Starting at the bow, this is an original re-chromed brass nav light with LED bulb upgrade, new lenses, all re-chromed hardware in this boat, it's all original. New rub rail, Lexial going on here. This is the brighter white color that we typically use with this interior of sapele. It's really an amazing complement with a lot of good contrast going on. Custom sea deck inside from Castaway Customs. This is a gray over black, really contrasts again this dark sapele wood inside with this ribbon striping. All right, let's get to the good stuff. So this whole new interior is something completely rethought and custom for this particular build. It's almost like taking a 15 Super Sport and just blowing it up to the scale of a 17 and actually making it really comfortable because these benches are so much higher and the backs are higher. Everything's just a larger scale so it fits an adult. So this front bench is fixed in place. It has a fuel tank suspended from it, which is something totally custom and unique. The fuel tank is custom color matched to the hull, so it blends right in. Definitely really a great option to get the fuel tank out of the back of the boat, get the weight further forward, which is always an issue with whalers, and open us up for a whole bunch of storage back there, which I'll show you in a minute. This is our custom side console. Just imagine a 15 Super Sport console exploded out, giving you the ability to put a flush mount GPS. It's a 9-inch Garmin 943XS, all networked to the Yamaha. All the gauging is on there, so there's no Yamaha gauging. Got our 2 pull switches, one for the nav, one for the bilge, Yamaha 704, and hydraulic steering with a custom sapele steering cap to match everything else here going on. So moving back to the stern here, something I'm most excited about is this area back here. So this doubles as actual seating and storage. This is all structurally independent from this front bench, so you have 700 pounds up here. You can put just the same back there if you wanted to, and no big deal. It's also very load bearing, so you can come across the boat, stand on it. You can sit down. You got the railing on the side, and it feels like you're a part of the boat. You could put cushions on this too if you wanted to be a little more comfortable, but having the bright work back here is, I think, kind of the way to go. So under these, as far as storage is concerned, these all flip up, and we've designed the size of these around Yeti products, so it's modular. So over here is a Yeti 18, fits perfect down in there. You could do 2 of the smaller ones if you wanted to. In the middle here, we've got our glove box for small things like keys, wallet, phone. Got your dipstick, this never lies. And you got your master kill switch for the battery back here as well. So I want to give you guys some perspective on the sizing of this boat. Obviously, when people say Super Sport, they think uncomfortable, great for kids, but adults really don't fit very well. So I'm 6'3", I'm sitting here comfortably, hands on the wheel, throttle's right here, GPS is right here, everything's within an arm reach, but I don't feel cramped or that it's too low or I'm hunched over. I can also stand up and still have contact with the wheel. So if you're running around the shallows, you can kind of see where you're going and have a nice standing perspective as well. Just really tailored to fit adults. I mean, kids will love this too, but I think adults will find this to be something that is actually their speed. Moving to the back, Yamaha F90. This is a perfect power plant for this particular boat. Speeds are in the low 40s. It's propped for whole shot mid-range. We also have that fuel tank forward now, so it really helps to get that bow down, and this boat rides amazing. This actually came in as a commercial boat, so it has that extra thick glass in it and a lot of the kind of heaviness that the commercial boats did. I think it was a police boat up in Michigan, but kind of cool. But this F90 is perfect for it. We got our Garmin sounder back here, the Chirp sounder, nav light pole with LED bulb, and the gotta have it Martin Marine Design teak swim platform on the back. Other than that, clean, simple, elegant. I love this setup. Last but not least, let's talk about this beautiful trailer. This is a custom welded trailer from Road King that's made specifically for the Boston Whaler 17 hull. They custom build these for us. These are oversized tires and wheels with Vortex hubs, all welded construction on here. Just a beautiful I-beam trailer that's overly built to not really give you any problems moving forward. We have a full-size spare on the front that's on a spare hub, so if you ever blow a hub in the middle of nowhere, you're gonna be okay. All right guys, this wraps up our 17 Super Sport Custom video, something I am so excited about. I've been dreaming about this boat for a very long time. I just needed the right client to build it for, and Tony, you're the man. Thank you for trusting us to do something really special and unique for your family, to have a gorgeous heirloom to pass down for generations to come. What a perfect boat for those beautiful lakes in Michigan. I cannot wait to see photos of y'all's family up there this summer ripping around. Everybody else, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.